Hi, this is Jana Whitley, author of the Disney Princess Crochet book. And right now I'm going to show you how to make the fins and the bikini to go on your Ariel doll and using the kit materials. And this is what the finished bikini will look like. And this is what the fin will look like. And here is what it'll look like when it's all sewn on. And for me, I left mine kind of unattached. I secured it around the chest, but I left the little shells kind of unattached, so that I think it looks better that way. But also, I think it looks better to have the wrong side out. See, this is the right side, and it kind of makes it look, I don't know, concave. So if you turn it out on the wrong side, it's going to be more rounded. So, but that's just my preference, you know. You can do what you prefer. So let's get started with the fins. We're going to grab our light green yarn from the kit, and I've got my E-hook, and I prefer to use my own E-hook rather than the kit one, because this one has a comfort grip on it. I do a lot of crocheting and my hand gets sore with those skinny hooks. We're going to take the green yarn and we're going to make a slip knot to start with. So we're going to make a loop and then bring it under, grab another loop of yarn, pull on your tail, and put your hook in, grab the working yarn, pull it tight. Okay, so we're going to start by chaining 7. And remember, chain is just simply pulling it through. Yeah, so we're going to yarn over, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you're going to double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So here's the hook, and then there's 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go into that chain right there. So insert your hook into that loop. Oops, sorry, we got to yarn over first because we're doing a double crochet. So yarn over, then go into the chain, then yarn over again. We've got 3 loops on the hook. And now you're going to yarn over again and pull through 2. And now we've got 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again, pull through 2, and then you finish that first double crochet. And now the instructions tell us to double crochet in the next chain. So we're going to yarn over again, go through the next chain, yarn over again, 3 on the hook, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2. Okay, our next one is going to be a half double crochet. So we yarn over, and then we go through that next chain, yarn over again, 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 for the half double. Next they've got 2 left. We're going to do a single crochet, and then finally in the last one we're doing a slip stitch. So just pull through like so. Okay, there's our fin. You're going to just give it maybe 3 inches on its tail there, pull it through. Now you've got these 2 little ends that you want to clean up. So grab the needle, take one of the ends, and then find the wrong side. See this? So this is the right side of the crochet, and this is the wrong side. And I'm going to first of all, I'm going to take the last bit and put it through this knot, the slip knot, to make a nice kind of pointy end. And then I'm going to weave it through the legs of those stitches on the back. But don't pull it super. If you pull it super tight, it's going to like curl up like that, and you don't want that. So just like so. And then I'm gonna go back in the other direction, just to give it a little more length, since this is such a tiny piece. I'm going to snip that close to the work. Okay, that's that one. So here's the front, here's the back. Okay, and I'm going to do the other tail. Weave that into the back. And I'm going to just weave it along the kind of the top edge there. Again, not pulling it super tight, and kind of I like to kind of stretch it out after I've woven it in. And then if you need to, you can go through some more stitches. So usually, generally, when you're weaving things in, I like to give it at least about 2 inches of weaving, because if you do like an inch or less, it tends to pop right out of those stitches, and then you've got little ragged ends popping out of your work. Okay, so there's our fin, and you're going to make another one just like it. So you'll have 2 to sew onto your body. Alright, next I'll show you how to do the bikini. So you're going to grab your purple yarn. And so here's my purple yarn. And I'm going to make my slip knot. And I'm going to chain 2. So if you can, make this slip knot kind of snug, because you don't want a donut hole in the bikini. So 1, 2, you're going to chain single crochet 3 in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. There's your first shell. Now you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to single crochet 3 in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, come back down here, and 1, 2, 3. And then it says to chain 10 or as many chains as you need to fit snugly around the chest of the body. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you'll take your body, here it is right there, and then before you cut the yarn, just put it on there, see how that fits, wrap the chain around. So mine's a little bit long, so I'm going to just pop out 3 stitches to fit. So your mileage may vary on that. So there it is. Okay, I'm going to come back and I'm going to cut about 8 inches for sewing. Pull the last loop through, and there's my bikini. Alright, so in the next video I'll show you how to sew all these pieces together and make your doll.